y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, we welcome you. If you have already been subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for tuning back in and supporting my content. I'm giving y'all back-to-back videos. This is like my third video this week. So today's video is actually going to be an unboxing of Luvme hair. So this is one of those headband wigs, y'all. Yes, so like that wig that's been trending all over social media, the headband wig, so convenient, just pop it on and go. You could put like a stylish scarf on top of it if you want to. If not, you could just wear the black headband that comes attached to the wig. Yes, y'all, this is actually my mother's wig, and she got it because, I mean, it was like a no-brainer. Having a wig that you don't have to braid your hair down, you don't have to worry about leave out. You just pop the wig on, put the band, you know, how you want to have it, and do your little baby hairs, and you're good to go. Who doesn't want that? So let's get right into it. This is the box that the hair came in. It's purple. It says Luvme hair. So when you open it, it says enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme hair. So here's this. I don't know if y'all can see it yet. Here's this. And then inside of the box, and it's like a really this paper that this is on kind of reminds me of, I don't know the name of it, but it's thick. It's not flimsy. It's nice. So we have the wig in this little mesh bag. The bag says Luvme hair, affordable luxury wig, and letting you know where to find their website, luvmehair.com. Then we have this little pouch. Luvme hair with some goodies in there that we're gonna go through as well. Scarves, y'all, get out of here. They started y'all off with the scarves. So if you didn't have any fashionable cute scarves that you wanted to put on top of the wig, they're giving you some scarves. Wow, I did not know that that was in there. And then we have wig caps, 2 wig caps, and then just a posted card with their return and refund policies and where you can contact customer service. So this is the front of here, and for anyone who is looking for their customer service contact, it'll be Stella, S-T-E-L-L-A at luvmehair.com. So if you want to get into customer service, if you want to contact Luvme Hair's customer service, that's where you'll find them. So yeah, this is nice. Wig caps. These actually does not match my mama's skin tone, so maybe that's one thing that we'll have to buy. If she chooses to put the wig cap on, she probably won't, y'all. Because what's the point if you just putting it? To each his own, but that doesn't match her with her skin tone. So if she does want to put it on, we'll have to go to the beauty supply and get another one. So let's dive into what was in the pack. We have an edge brush, black edge brush. The bristles aren't hard at all, actually. Just a normal edge brush that you would use to slick your edges down. A little Luvme clip. A little Luvme clip. We also have some bobby pins and some tweezers, y'all. Okay, Luvme. Everything in the package, everything in the box says Luvme. Okay, they want y'all to know who this came from. And have like a little elastic band here. Oh, it doesn't open. Okay, so like an elastic band. So I guess if you wanted to add this into the wig to make it a little more snug, you would have it like this, so that when you put the wig on, boop, flop the wig back and you're good. And then it's like an edge wrap to lay that baby hairs down. So I'm gonna put all of this back into the bag nice and neatly, because my mama don't play that. So I'm going to put it on in here. I don't want to lose anything because I am good for losing things. So that is what came in the little pouch here. And then y'all probably looking at me. It's just dawned on me. Y'all probably looking at me like, what do this girl have on? Look at her hair. I have PJs on purpose because after I'm actually done with this video, I'm going to film 2 more videos, and I'm not going to tell you what they are, but just know that PJs are necessary, okay? And then my hair, I washed my weave out, so I'm just waiting for it to dry so that I can do my hair, because my birthday is in like 7 days, y'all. So yeah, so these are the scarves. They're actually really thick. Wow. I may ask my mom if I can keep some of these, because these are cute. I don't want to be too loud because I just put my baby to sleep, and when you wake her up out of her sleep, honey, she's not a happy camper. So these are the headbands. This is super stretchy. For people who have big heads like me, fret not, because Luvme has you under control. Here's another headband. That's 2, 3 right here. Just like the little headbands with a knot at the top. Supposed to be fashionable. This one is super stretchy as well. Ooh, a little cheetah print, little animal vibes. Okay, Luvme, because it's a lot of women out here that love like the animal print. I got this inside out. So here's another one that you can just really stretch. See that? Cool. And army fatigue. This is the last one. So we have in total, put this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lovely headbands to put on top of your wig. If you choose to, you want to have like a fashion headband on top of it. Close that up, put that back in here. So now on to the good stuff, the wig. So we're gonna take it out. I don't know what inch my mom ordered. I should have asked her when I went to get it, but I know she had like the water wave, deep wave. I'll have all of like the details in the description box. Excuse me. I'll have all of the details in the description box and all of the links so that you all know exactly where she clicked on, where she went to, the specs about the wig and things like that. So this is the wig, y'all. So when I say that they sent all of those headbands to put on top of the wig, so ideally those headbands will go on top of this band, but they did give you a band that is attached to the wig, which is why it's called the headband wig. And the band is super durable, stretchy. When you stretch it, you don't hear anything cracking like it's about to break or snap in half or anything like that. So we have Velcro in the back. So once you put your wig on, you Velcro it to the size that you need it to be so that it's comfortable for you and it's not too tight or too loose. We have clips, y'all. So these are supposed to be the better clips anyway. I remember my beautician told me this a long time ago. These clips are better than the clips that actually clamp on because you can just pull them out like a comb. A comb clip is what they're called, yeah. So we have 1 here in the back, and then we also have 3 at the top. So 1 for the middle of your head, 2 for the sides of your head in the front, and then 1 in the back. And then the construction is really nice. It's not double wefted, it's single wefted, and it's just a straight stitch going all across, not a zigzag stitch, sorry. So this is the wig all around, and then this little breathable part here at the top of the cap, and then it's going all the way up towards the band. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna clamp this back together. The Velcro. This is how the I was about to say, what is this, y'all? The headphone. This is just the net, y'all. You scared me. Okay. So this is the natural curl pattern of the wig. Nothing has been done to it. We haven't brushed it. Only thing we've done is like run our fingers through it to see if it sheds. So when you run your fingers through, you do get a few strands, but it's nothing that's drastic, I guess you could say. Nothing that's alarming that makes you feel like, man, I shouldn't have got this wig. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys how I'm going to co-wash this unit and have everything looking all new and co-washed, and the curls will be bouncy and everything like that. So first I'm just going to take my paddle brush and I'm going to brush down. And I'll probably just put music over this part, y'all, because I don't want to talk y'all ears off. I know what, me personally, when I'm on YouTube looking for reviews about hair. I really don't want to hear all of the talking or, you know, just all of the babbling. Just get to the point, girl. I know y'all, that's me. So okay, y'all, so we are back. I washed all of the conditioner out of the hair. I let the conditioner sit on the hair for about 25 minutes. And after I was done letting it sit in conditioner, I went and washed it out with cold water to kind of shock those hair cuticles back closed to keep all the moisture that the conditioner just put in. So, whew, that was a lot to say. Yeah, so then I went ahead and just rinsed it out until the water ran clear. I know I showed you guys the bowl and how the bowl was like, the water was brown after putting the hair in there. I don't think that that was anything bad. I honestly just believe that they put a rinse on it and it just didn't rinse it out good enough before they brought it in, because at first the hair did have like a little brownish tint to it, and it still does, but just not as much as it did before. So that's what I think that residue or color was that was in that water, was just like some brown rinse that wasn't thoroughly washed out before. So I just made sure that I rinsed everything really good. I used in my last video I told y'all that I cannot find my dimming brush again. So this is the closest thing that I had to a dimming brush, because I wasn't about to go out to the store to buy another one just for this video. I wasn't doing that, especially when I have this and it's too cold outside. So yeah, I just rinsed it out, combed it through with this, and these are the curls. So to keep like that coily texture or curl pattern, I just scrunch it up like this. And while it's wet, I also went ahead and put just like a dime-sized amount, literally a dime-sized amount of argan oil on the hair to just keep it shiny, because you know sometimes the ends are what frays the most, but I haven't seen that so far with this hair. So I just made sure to really focus that oil on the end part, because the ends are what frays the most, what make it look like it's a little frizzy. So then I distributed the rest all throughout the hair. So I'm just gonna let it air dry. This wig is really cold because I used really cold water to rinse it out. I'm going to hang this on the wig rack, let it dry, air dry, so that I can keep this beautiful texture. I mean, look at this, y'all. My mama loved wavy hair like this, so I think that this is going to be something that she really, really, really loves. I'm trying to let y'all see, like, up close how much moisture is in it. It's just a really nice wig overall. We'll see if it stands the test of time. Throughout her wearing it, I made sure to really slather this area, like the nape area, in conditioner, because we know a lot of times hair naps up at the nape. So I make sure to put a lot of conditioner there to just try to prevent that from happening. But yeah, overall, the packaging was really cool. A nice little personalized letter on this paper. I still don't know what the name of it is. It's like I know what it is on my tongue, but I can't think of it. But this paper was a really nice gesture. To have a personal letter from the founder of the company is pretty cool too. All of these little accessories that they give you with the wig. So I think that me personally, if this were my first time ever dealing with the wig or just experiencing buying a wig for the first time, they give you everything that you need to be successful with your first wig. And that's pretty cool, because although wigs are on trend right now, there are still just a lot of people in the world who are they just don't know, where to start, how to install a wig, how to do this and how to do that. So for Luvme Hair to give you headbands, an edge brush, some bobby pins, tweezers, and a hair clip on top of that, it's setting you up for success. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this air dry, and I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be super, super, super cute while it's dry. When it's dry, again, this is the headband. Just show you guys one more time if you are new or just coming back. This is the band that comes with the wig. Use the Velcro to adjust your tightness. And that one there. Have 4 clips, 3 in the front. See the clips? 1 in the back that you can just pop on, and then you're good to go. Do your little baby hairs however you like, or you don't have to do baby hairs if you don't, if you don't want them, you don't have to do them. Just slick your hair back, put this on, and you're good to go. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below if this type of video is something that you would like to see more often on my page. If you want me to do reviews on different wigs, or just, my opinion on how hair is, let me know. If you like the fact that I showed you all how to co-wash my way, I'm not saying that it's the only way, but if you like the way that I co-wash this hair and want to know how I do other things with hair, I'm more than happy to share my processes. So let me know down below if you like this video, what you liked about this video. If you did not like it, let me know. I want to know. I want to cater to you all and make sure that my channel is something that is enjoyable for you all to watch. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, because y'all, the content is back to back. I'm going to be on your screens every day, all day. I want to help you get through your day. So thanks again. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.